want you to imagine something simple in a childhood classic, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But now I want you to imagine it reinvented, a more healthier version, and it has the same amount of thought that gets put into real meals. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a healthy peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and we're going to be going over how to pick better ingredients, how to assemble the sandwich for the best nutrition, and how to customize it for your own health goals. So let's start off with the first point. The sandwich can only be as healthy as what goes into it. So we'll start with choosing healthier ingredients. Store-bought peanut butter can have a lot of additives like salt or sugar and oils that are unhealthy and aren't needed. So you can go for a natural peanut butter that has only like 2 ingredients in it, like peanuts and salt. Same goes for jelly. The other jellies taste a lot more like syrup than actual fruit, so you want to go for low fat or low sugar or even no sugar. And of course, the same goes for bread also. Whole grain bread adds fiber, nutrients, and long-lasting energy. Whole grain bread boosts the nutritional value of this sandwich by providing more sustained fullness and digestive support. It's like eating the same sandwich, but smarter. So now for my second point, assembling the sandwich in a balanced, intentional way. Step 1, you're going to want to mix the peanut butter if the oils have separated. And then step 2, you want to grab a slice and spread evenly across the slice. Step 3, natural butters create a richer, more wholesome flavor because they're not masked by fillers. Aaron Lives Whole said that. Step 3, you take your second slice and you spread a thin layer of jelly onto it. And the next step, once both slices are ready, bring together gently without squeezing out the fillings. And enjoy. Or you can cut the sandwich diagonally also if you want. Third point, customizing your peanut butter and jelly to fit your lifestyle. Healthy doesn't have to mean boring. If you want more flavor, you can add sliced bananas, or even chia seeds. If you want more protein, you can add creamy almond butter instead of peanut butter, and replace the jelly for Greek yogurt. If you prefer a low-carb option, you can go for thin-sliced whole grain bread or even whole wheat tortillas. These simple variations allow you to tailor your sandwich without losing the soul of the classic PB&J. Now that we've walked through the ingredient choice, assembly, and customization, let's briefly recap our 3 key points. First, choosing healthier ingredients ensures our PB&J supports our nutrition. Second, assembling intentionally keeps the sandwich balanced and satisfying. And third, customizing creatively lets us adapt this simple recipe to any health goal or personal taste. The PB&J sandwich may be simple, but the act of making it with care turns it into something meaningful. A combination of comfort, nourishment, and creativity. It's a reminder that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it can be just as easy as reimagining a childhood favorite. Thank you.